This is an overview of the storyboard for Sustainable Royal Holloway. The interface has been designed with intuitive controls in mind, which allow for easy navigation. An emphasis is placed upon user-friendliness, so that users can interact with the prototype effortlessly. On the main page of the prototype, we are presented with a search feature that allows any user to form queries in relation to the campus. Users have the choice of logging in to access more advanced features by tapping on the configuration button, which has been highlighted here with a red circle. Upon pressing the button, we are prompted to log in using the relevant button or access settings. The user will be presented with a login portal to sign in. Moving on to general navigation. The prototype allows the user to navigate across the campus in an aerial view and explore the entire campus. Should circumstances be met, the map will identify and highlight nearby buildings using visual cues, making it easier for users to locate buildings. Highlighted areas can be tapped on to show more information. Any highlighted buildings can be zoomed in on under a different view. In this new street-style view of the highlighted building, the user is presented with relevant building information. A logged-in user may view and edit details about this building. Here we may edit the building's name. In this case, we will be prompted to enter a new building name. Moving on to search filters. By default, the first visible filters are of the buildings on campus. The interface offers a range of features that enable easy sorting of buildings based on characteristics. In this case, the buildings with 3 floors are highlighted. As a result of this, the filters returned will include the applicable buildings. Building search can also show, without the need of typing a query, a list of neighboring buildings on campus. This list can be updated in either ascending or descending order based on further characteristics. The filters will be updated accordingly and show a list of buildings. Following the options chosen, the building search bar also offers voice searching. A microphone icon will appear at the top on the view to signal that voice search has been activated and is listening for a query. Integrating a voice search takes into account the natural way humans could interact with technology. The query can comprise of any phrase and will attempt to highlight the correct building in relation to the search. In the case that the query cannot return any results, it will notify the user accordingly. Building search is not just limited to buildings, but can also help in distinguishing multiple types of infrastructure, such as roads, car parks, green spaces, and many more in the vicinity of the campus. Any valid queries will highlight and display some information on the respective structure. As an authorized logged-in user, anyone with this status will be granted the ability to edit the live map. A new infrastructure type could be added and categorized based on its features. The system would then prompt dialog boxes to instruct the user on how to add the new structure into the map and create a 3D render that will then be placed into the map. The user will then be asked by the system whether they would like to save the new map render. As well as adding new structures, it is also possible to delete them. A process of confirmation will take place to delete a selected structure. The confirmation process reflects an awareness in possible human errors and the importance of providing feedback to users. The system also intuitively allows for the removal of multiple structures simultaneously, allowing users to perform actions intuitively, resulting in increased user efficiency and satisfaction.